A variety of green and intelligent products are on display at the 6th Silk Road International Exposition in Xi'an, capital of northwest China's Shaanxi province. The expo has attracted participants from over 70 countries and regions, building a platform to promote green development under the framework of the Belt and Road Initiative.
这次展示了像吉利的这个雷神，它也是一款增程式的这个新能源汽车，高效、低燃、节油，包括我们这个比亚迪的这个混动插电式混动，目前都是全球领先的技术。
Proposed by China in 2013, the Belt and Road Initiative aims to build trade and infrastructure networks connecting Asia with Europe and beyond along the ancient Silk Road trade routes for common development and prosperity. The 5-day Silk Road International Exposition is set to close on Thursday.